Alright people, I'm gonna let you guess what I went and bought. I was so scared everyone was gonna pick the Golf R and no one actually picked it. So here it is. My A45 AMG. I bought a sleeper spec because I want to do everything to it. So we've got the aero kit, so we're gonna have a spoiler there. We've got the front canards and we've got the little black pieces which come on this side. I was told it's got the performance exhaust, but I don't think it does, unless, I don't know, because I thought the sports exhaust is meant to be black and it's meant to have like the little, it's a little piece of metal there which divides it so it looks like it's got 4 instead of 2 big ones on the side. So we can't really go inside of it because I've already done the test drive, and now they've protected it for the service it's having right now because of the current situation. They've cleaned it. There's the seats, and the reason I went for this spec is one of the main ones. You've got the nicer gear shifter, which the other one, it looks awful. Like, I will show you guys now and you be the judge of it. It looks so, that looks so nice because it's like the same one you get on the SLS, and it's got a little a falter back AMG logo on top, so I've zoomed in by there, and it's got the Alcantara steering wheel and half Alcantara, half leather Recaro seat. So another reason that I went for this car is the entertainment system. This one has the bigger screen. That was important because the other one looks awful. And panoramic roof, because why not? The aero kit I bought, it's not carbon because it wouldn't match like these bits. So this one has the splitter in black, this side piece black, this bit, and the roof, half of it's black because of the panoramic roof. So I bought piano black aero kit. The wheels are the smaller ones, which are, I think they are 18s, yeah. Where is it? Yep, 18s. So we might change them. I might just like plastic dip them or something that I can change back, because I don't know, I like them at the moment, but I don't know. The other ones look better obviously, but these are growing on me. That's the front end, which, that's killing me. I had to leave it like that, didn't I? Anyways, there it is. And the front end, we've got the canards, which will be here. It's going to look amazing. The reason I bought this spec and not one with an aero kit is, what's the point of buying one which is already done? Me to just have it and do it myself, it's just so much better. And the reason we went for white is it looks much better in white, I think. I was going to get black one, but that was just to wrap it in yellow, so I think the best thing to do is just have it a nice color from factory, which this does look nice in this color. So there it is. Sorry I can't show you like a sound clip of it or anything like that, and obviously that's because of the current situation. So when it's ready, we will go for a first drive and I'll make a video and obviously show you guys what it sounds like and tell you more about what it drives like, because I've only driven it for a little bit, so don't really have any feedback on it yet. Alright, so thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and yeah, let me know what do you think we should do to it. Obviously the aero kit is 100% and the exhaust is, yeah, I'd say that's an 100% that we're gonna get that done as well. So yeah, all right, so thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe. Thanks.